Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing, before anything else, just going to do some house cleaning, get rid of these lines. Sure, these levels still pertain. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first big update that does need to be put into play here is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into the day, for those of you that did watch the video from Tuesday, hopefully remember me talking about $7 as an area of resistance, but with the gap up this morning, and this is a beautiful part, price gapped up, pulled back, and you can see right there, classic example of that resistance now acting as support, and then got the bounce up from there. But point here being, as far as one of the newest levels and what I would call the ideal level of support moving forward, that's where $7 comes into play. Ideal meaning, this would be the best case scenario for the price to stay above it. But it's not like if the price falls below 7, then that all of a sudden means the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, staying above $7 would certainly be a great sign of overall power. And then taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture, as I've talked about in past videos, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. As I've said in past videos, I believe when it comes to levels of resistance, it just doesn't matter. What do I mean? Well, what matters is what the price continues to do, and that is just build those higher bases, or if you want to envision those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.